No machine is more complicated and incredible than the human brain, and that's why we humans have made machines to make our lives a whole lot easier. A super ripper, ripping some stones from the earth in a super way. A shovel on a slightly bigger scale than most shovels. Try to avoid getting your fingers anywhere near this thing, even if you have the fingers of a giant. This is one serious bottom dump trailer. And no giggling when I say bottom dump in the future, please. Now, this is how you cut trees. Lumberjacks, take note. Well, it's certainly easier than a pickaxe. A slightly bigger drill than you might need for a wall in your house. It's like a mechanical giraffe. For this job, you need a lot more than a simple pair of wire cutters. Imagine if Michelangelo had one of these. Quarry work will never be the same after this contraption. As huge as it is green. With this thing, you can harvest like you've never harvested before. This trailer is so shiny that you could see your face in it. which would be really handy if you have a really big face too large for most mirrors. Creating your own road as you go. A mining digger is essential for mining. Doing it by hand would be out of the question. You'll catch some massive fish with that. Better than 100 axes. Try to find a garage to park this in. It's a lagoon crawler, crawling around lagoons so you don't have to. How do they remove snow at airports? Well, I'm glad you asked. Slag pot might sound like an insult, but it's actually one of these things. Some serious haulage for some serious rubble. Because only the Hulk can lift this by hand. A tractor on steroids. Just like its namesake, the Panther, this thing can dump tons of rubble without even... Actually, this analogy doesn't even work, does it? The phrase heat-resistant could have been invented to describe this thing. No Viagra needed for these tanks. Suddenly, farming seems a lot easier. Someone needs to tell him there's a huge gap under his vehicle. A huge dump truck for taking huge dumps. A crane with an attitude. This hurricane is blowing through work like there's no tomorrow. You'll no doubt be surprised to find out that this sand cleaner is designed to clean sand. This is the Extreme Soil King, and with a name like that, it's clearly pretty full of itself. Don't park in this guy's space. Imagine having a mixer like this in your kitchen. This mower sucks. Literally. You need a major machine to deal with major tires. When mining technology is used in the maritime industry. This is the largest bridge inspection unit in the world. We know because it just won't stop boasting about it. It spreads stone like a drunk man pees onto a wall. This is the forest crane. Appropriate name. Wider, faster, better is the motto of this contraption. And who are we to argue? A high-performance crane, but then most cranes perform at quite a height. A rotating telehandler, doing exactly what you'd expect it to. Well, did you think bricks just fell out of the sky? Enables you to make side dump. No laughing at the back of the class, please. The CAS off-road wirelessly remote-controlled AT7 Slinger at work. An armored rescue crane for working in some serious hostile areas. Yeah, okay, that's a slightly large bucket. a fascinating new step in ground working technology. Well, it's a railroad excavator. What more do you need to know? I mean, you know what trains are, right? Hang on to your hair. It's a compact scalping screen. The biggest hydraulic excavator in the world. Even the mine looks small next to this mining truck. They're like mechanical giraffes. No amount of stone keeps this thing out. The Knuckle Boom Loader is the best grapple loader in its class. It also has the best name. That's a whole lot of rubble. Slightly more than a handful. If you need one of these Volvos to pick up your kids, then your kids need to lose weight. Watching this is actually quite hypnotic. What could this huge blade be part of? Stay tuned and find out. Some cheeky time-lapse crane action for you all. I think it's fair to say that this is pretty big. Why are these things always yellow? Couldn't they hire some kind of fashion designer to make things more exciting? This mining shovel is just a little larger than the average shovel. Can you imagine how long it would take to do this by hand? A truck that needs to be specifically designed for very specific tasks. A space antenna is not the easiest thing on Earth to move. These are the world's largest cranes. That's all. It looks like something out of a steampunk novel, but it's a very real and essential piece of equipment. A bulldozer that can be used in water. Whatever next? It's an ultra-heavy amphibious connector. I think we could have guessed the ultra-heavy bit. Yeah, okay, that's pretty long. This trencher is actually attempting to set a new world record, soil mixing at 145 feet deep. A groundwater collection system, because who doesn't love collecting groundwater? I have a collection of it myself at home. Why use a bucket when you can have one of these? More buckets on a massive industrial scale. A mining excavator doing an impressive and massive job. A piling rig that dwarfs any human standing next to it. When a piece of machinery is being filmed from the air, you can be sure it's going to be pretty huge. What could possibly need something this big? You're about to find out. One seriously high-pressure hose. Or when you need to quickly remove a pesky tree. Those massive wind turbines don't just show up out of nowhere. What on earth does the weird and wonderful vehicle do? Well, you're about to find out. Wow, what did this school bus do to annoy them so much? Am I the only one who thinks these look delicious? And does that make me weird? Imagine having one of these at home instead of a lawnmower. It's a rock picker. It picks rocks. What more can I say? Control your logs with this. Big firewood for a big fire. Land drainage, because nobody wants to see their land be all moist and weird. You know something else that should be completely automated? The finger you're currently stretching out to click subscribe.